Welcome, dear students. I am here with the new topic today, that is equation reducible to pair of linear equation in two variables. So here in this section, what we are going to learn is uh, the equation pair of equation will be given to you, which are not exactly linear, but will reduce that given pair of equation into the linear equation by some suitable substitution. So substitution गरेर चाहिँ हामीले दिएको पेयर अफ इक्वेसनलाई चाहिँ के गर्छौं linear form बनाउँछौं. Initially it will not in the form of linear equation but will reduce by making some suitable substitution. So suppose for example, suppose the question is like this: 2 by x plus 3 by y is equals to 13, and another equation is suppose 5 by x minus 4 by y is equals to minus 2. Here you have given pair of equation. So this pair of equation are not exactly in the form of linear equation. Why it is not in the linear equation is that the linear equation, what is the general form of linear equation? If you see this, then this is your general form of pair of linear equation in two variable, where the variable have positive integral power. So if I try to make this equation in this form, what happen? Okay, if you make this, then 5, if you take x, because x is on the numerator, variable is on the numerator, so if I take this x on the numerator, then it becomes power minus 1 by algebra. 4y to the power minus 1 equals to minus 2, and this equation does not matches with this is not match with this equation. So that is why we cannot say this is in the form of linear equation. So but we can reduce this pair of equation into linear equation by some suitable substitution. So नानीहरुले यहाँनेर बुझ्नु पर्ने हुन्छ कि यो लिनियर पावर चाहिँ 1 छ त भनेर भन्ने होइन. छ पावर 1, but the variable is on the denominator. Denominator मा भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ we cannot consider this as a linear equation, because linear हुनको लागि यो फर्ममा हुनु पर्यो. यो फर्ममा हुनको लागि चाहिँ x लाई न्युमरेटरमा लाँदाखेरि it takes this form. So x to the power minus 1 cannot be considered as a linear. So that is why we have to substitute this. अब substitution कसरी गर्ने त? That is why the topic is equation reducible to the pair of linear. There are some equation which can be reduced into linear form and can be solved. So how can we reduce? So this is the main problem here. If you learn this, then this topic is done. So how can you reduce? You have to substitute the variable by some suitable another variable. Say here this equation can be written as 2 into 1 by x. 2 into 1 by x is 2 by x plus 3 into 1 by y equals to 13, and etapati 5 into 1 by x minus 4 into 1 by y equals to minus 2. So what is the common here you find is that here in the first equation 1 by x is there. Here also in second equation you will get 1 by x. In y part there is 1 by y, and here you have 1 by y. But there is a common between the variables, so I can substitute. If this kind of things happen, then we can substitute by another variable. So we'll substitute. Let 1 by x is equals to some variable a, and 1 by y equals to b. I will substitute 1 by x by a and 1 by y by b. So if you substitute this, then what you will get? Will get 2 into 1 by x is my a, so it will be 2a plus 3b is equals to 13. So suppose this is my equation number, say your initial equation 1 bar, your equation 2 bar, so this will be my equation number 3, and utapati ke huncha 5a minus 4b equals to minus 2. Suppose this is my equation number 4. So अब के भयो भन्दाखेरि now this is exactly in the form of 2x1 sorry ax1 a1x1 plus b1y1 plus c1 equals to 0. This is exactly in this form, so that is why this is called linear equation. Now अब हाम्रो लिनियर बनायौं, हामीले लिनियर बनाएपछि चाहिँ हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो, अब यो दुईटा पेयर अफ इक्वेसनलाई सल्भ गर्नु पर्यो. सो solving equation 3 and 4 by elimination method. Let us apply elimination because it is not given कि यो मेथडले सल्भ गर्नु भनिएको हुँदैन. So you can use any method whichever you will feel easy. So solving equation 3 and equation 4 by elimination method. So what you will get भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ 2a minus plus 3b equals to 13, and here you have 5a minus 4b equals to minus 2. So अब एलिमिनेट कुन चाहिँलाई गर्छु जसको अपोजिट साइन चाहिँ एज आई हैव अलरेडी डिस्कस. सो अपोजिट साइनमा चाहिँ सेम कोफिसिएन्ट बनायो भने देखि घटाउँदाखेरि के हुन्छ, दुईटा 0 भइहाल्छ. बट हियर यु हैव डिफरेन्ट कोफिसिएन्ट. सो अब म के गर्छु, यसलाई मल्टिप्लाई गरेर बराबरी बनाउने ट्राई गर्छु. सो यस्तो गर्दा के गर्नु, यसलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्छु म 4 ले, गर्दा 4 * 3 12 भयो. सो यसलाई म मल्टिप्लाई गर्छु 3 ले, सो दैट 3 * 4 विल बी 12. सो नाउ what we will get is we will be getting 5. Okay, now 4 into 2 is 8a plus 4 into 3 is 12b is equals to 4 into 3 12 को 2 1 4 1 is 4 52 3 into 5 15a minus 12b is equals to minus 6. So अब एलिमिनेसन गर्दाखेरि दुईटा एड गरे पनि क्यान्सल भइहाल्यो. 8a plus 15a is 23a equals to, if you subtract this then it will be 46. So now your a will be, therefore a equals to 46 by 23. So 23 into 2 is 46. Now using a equals to 2 in equation number 3 मा लगाइदिनुस्. लगाउँदा के हुन्छ, 2 into 2, this is my equation 3. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into b equals to 13. So 3b equals to 13. 4 लाई उता लाग्यो भने -4. So 3b equals to 9. b equals to 9 by 3. 3 3s are 9. So b equals to 3. So I got the value of a and b. अब finally what we have to find, since the equation in terms of x and y, हामीले the solution we have to find in terms of x and y. a र b मा आइहाल्यो. So हामीलाई थाहा छ since 1 by x is equals to a. So त्यसो भए 1 by x is equals to a को भ्यालु आएको छ. a को भ्यालु कति रहेछ, यो 2 रहेछ. So भनेपछि x is equals to के भयो, 2 यता आयो, x लाई उता लग्यो भने it will be 1 by 2 भयो. Similarly b भनेको के हो भन्दाखेरि 1 by y equals to b. So 1 by y equals to b कति आयो, 3 आयो. So y equals to 1 by 3. So we got the solution as 1 by x equals to 1 by 2 and y equals to 1 by 3. यो कुरा चाहिँ याद गर्नु पर्यो कि जुन चाहिँ भेरिएबलमा प्रब्लम दिएको छ त्यही भेरिएबलको भ्यालु चाहिँ फाइनली क्याल्कुलेट गर्नु पर्यो. So this is the first problem on equation reducible to pair of linear equation in two variables.